Hi everyone, welcome back to Network Guru. If you're editing videos in CapCut on PC, you might have noticed a watermark at the end or on some templates. Want to remove it? I'll show you how to get rid of the CapCut watermark easily. Let's get started. Open CapCut app. Open your project. Scroll to the end of timeline, you'll see the CapCut outro with the watermark. Click on the watermark outro and tap button delete. The watermark is gone. Now export your video without it. Some templates in CapCut add a watermark automatically. To remove it, switch to manual editing instead of using the auto template. If the watermark is still present, try replacing the clips and re-editing the template. If the watermark can't be removed, consider using CapCut Pro for a watermark-free experience. If the watermark is in a corner, use the crop tool to cut it out. You can also add stickers or text overlay to hide it. The free version removes the watermark from the editing but not from some templates. Subscribe to CapCut Pro to access premium templates and export video without watermarks. That's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.